Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mudassir Mehboob, lecturer in chemistry, GPGC, Sawabi. Today we are going to discuss the preparation of alkyl halides. That it means that what are the methods which are used for the preparation of alkyl halides. So there are different methods which are used for the preparation of alkyl halide. So the first method that is by treating what alcohols with a halogen acid. That is the first method of preparation of alcohol. By treating the alcohol with what? With halogen acids. With halogen acids. So when alcohol reacts with the halogen acids, alkyl halides are formed. When alcohols reacts with halogen acids, alkyl halides are formed. How? Look at, this is your alcohol. This is your alcohol ROH. R is an alkyl group. When alkyl group is attached to OH group, hydroxyl group, we can call it alcohol. And this is the halogen acid plus HX. This is one of the halogen acid. Okay, so when halogen acid reacts with alcohol, so we will obtain RX. This is alkyl halides. This is alkyl group and that is the halogen atom. So when an alkyl group is directly linked with a halogen atom, that organic compound is called alkyl halide. Okay ji. Then along with alkyl halides, water is also formed. Okay, so alcohols reacts very quickly with HI and HBr. Now, what are HI? What are HBr? What are HCl and what is HF? Actually, these are the halogen acids. Let me first explain what are halogen acids. So halogen acids are, look at, HF, it is one of the halogen acid. HCl, it is one of the halogen acid. HBr, it is one of the halogen acid. And HI, this is called hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide. They are the halogen acids. Okay, so these two, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide, they are the most powerful acids, and they react very easily, reacts very quickly, reacts very speedily with the alcohol, and we will get the required product, which is an alkyl halide. Okay, this is CH3, CH2, OH. This is one of the ethyl alcohol. Okay, and when it reacts with the HI, so this reaction proceed very quickly, and as a result we will get the ethyl CH2 ethyl iodide. So this is an alkyl halide, and along with H2O is formed. Okay, for those students who will give ETA test, look at alcohols reacts slowly with HCl. So we use here what? A catalyst. That catalyst is zinc chloride. Look at, this is our ethyl alcohol. This is our HCl. So this reaction is very slow. So what we use? We use zinc chloride. This is a Leucos reagent. This is HCl in the presence of zinc chloride is known as Leucos reagent. So due to this catalyst, this reaction proceed in enough rate to form what? Form alkyl halide. C3, C2, and that is your Cl. So this is ethyl chloride, and as a result, H2O is formed. Okay. So this is HCl in the presence of HCl plus HCl. Again, I am writing here HCl plus zinc chloride. This is called Leucos reagent. Okay, this is called what? This is called Leucos. This is called what? Leucos. I am checking the spelling. Yes, Leucos, Leucos reagent. Okay. So this is the first method of the preparation of what? Alkyl halide. Okay. Okay, I am moving forward. Okay, why not to explain its mechanism? That how this is formed. Look at the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism, how this reaction proceeds. Look at it. We have general. This is general mechanism. I am doing ROH. When it reacts with the HX, as a result, RX is formed along with. This is the reaction. Look at the mechanism. This is an acid, and this is a base. Look at it. This ROH. There are two pairs of electron. This is one pair of electron. This is the second pair of electron. What is going on? This pair of electron act as a base and it abstracts this proton from the halogen acid. This is the halogen acid. So this lone pair of electron actually attack that proton, abstract that proton, and act as a base. So what we will get? We will get this kind of thing, R, O, H, and this is another H. ये जो और प्लस इधर आ गया है, सही है? जब when oxygen donates its lone pair of electron, oxygen acquired positive charge. Oxygen जब भी whenever कहीं पर भी जब आप देखो कि ऑक्सीजन गिविंग दे रहा है लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो ऑक्सीजन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया है। और इधर क्या बना है? व्हाट हैज फॉर्म्ड हियर? HX से जब हाइड्रोजन पॉजिटिव चला जाता है तो क्या रह जाता है? X नेगेटिव। सो इन द सेकंड स्टेप what X negative do? Look at this is that X negative, and it comes here and attack on this R, and this bond shifts toward oxygen, and oxygen we will get what? We will get this thing, H2O and RH plus RH. So that is the general mechanism for the First, the preparation of alkyl halides. Okay, second preparation, and that is second method of preparation of alkyl halides. That is, we can also prepare the alkyl halides by treating phosphorus trihalide. By treating what? Phosphorus trihalide with a alcohol. So look at second method, by treating phosphorus by treating what? Phosphorus halides. By treating phosphorus halides, yani by reacting phosphorus halide with what? With alcohols. Okay, so the general reaction is when alcohol reacts with phosphorus trihalide. This is your alcohol, ROH. This is what? This is your alcohol, and this is what? PX3. PX3 is what? PX3, yes. Phosphorus trihalide. Phosphorus halides are of two types. Look at, phosphorus halides are of two types: phosphorus trihalides and phosphorus pentahalides. In phosphorus trihalide, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3. In the phosphorus pentahalide, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. Okay. So when we treat this alcohol with the phosphorus trihalide, so we will get what? RX along with the POH whole 3. Phosphorus hydroxide. Okay, so this is the reaction. This is the reaction of alcohol with अभी जो है ना देखें इस reaction में in this reaction there are 3 molecules of POH is used of alkyl halides, and here we also get 3 RX. Okay, the remaining portion is balanced. So how this reaction proceeds? We are throwing lights on its mechanism. हम इसकी mechanism जो है ना, let's discuss its mechanism. ठीक है जी? Okay, so look at this is ROH. And this is phosphorus X and X trihalide. I have already told you that on oxygen there are 2 lone pair of electrons. One lone pair of electron actually attack this phosphorus. When it attack this phosphorus, one halogen atom is removed. Look at how. Look at, we will get this thing. ROH, ये जो इधर बांड बना है P का, ये जो नया बांड बना है, ये जो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ने अटैक किया है, ये नया बांड है। इसके साथ एक X और ये दूसरा जो X है, दो x रह गए हैं. There are 2x are remaining with phosphorus. Okay, and this oxygen acquired positive charge, and वो जो x निकला है, the x which is removed, वो कहाँ है? वो यहाँ है. There, वो x यहाँ पर, ये जो निकला है वो यहाँ है. So in the second step क्या होता है? ये x आगे इधर इस पर अटैक करता है और ये बाकी निकल जाता है. तो हमारे पास दो चीजें बनती है. We will get two things. एक RX बन गया है या नहीं? एक RX बन गया है और प्लस इसके साथ क्या बन गया है? POH X and X. ओके, ये एक. अभी क्या होता है? दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल, दूसरा ROH. मैंने कहा था ना 3 ROH यूज होते हैं इस रिएक्शन में. There are used 3 ROH. So look at what is going on. Look at this ROH when reacts with this thing X and OH. Again, this lone pair of electron attack on this phosphorus, and one other X is removed as an X ion. रिमूव हुआ है और यहां पर क्या बना है? ये RO, ये जो नया बॉन्ड बना है P के साथ. This is the X and this is the OH. ये चीज हमारे पास बन गई है. ये पॉजिटिव. This is the positive. Look at, अब क्या होगा? अब ये X, look at this X. This X will now attack on this carbon, this R, and look at this bond will shift here. What we will get? We will get RX, another RX. ये पहला RX बना है, एक RX बना है, ये दूसरा RX बना है. रिएक्शन में हमने क्या लिखा है? 3 RX बन रहे हैं. 3 RX, तो ये दूसरा RX बना है. ये दूसरा, ये नंबर है, एक स्क्वायर नहीं है. दिस इज जस्ट द नंबर RX. और यहां पर क्या बना है? यहां पर जो है ना P के साथ जो है ना इधर X, इधर OH और इधर BOH. Now look at, now another ROH. How many ROH has been used in this reaction? कितने ROH यूज हुए इस रिएक्शन में? 3. ये तीसरा है. ये पहला था, ये दूसरा था और ये अभी तीसरा है. तो ये तीसरा भी फास्फोरस, ये OH है, ये X है, ये this is OH. Look at what will happen. I told you the same case. This lone pair of electron will attack on this phosphorus and this X will be removed as an X ion. What will be formed? Look at ROH, P, एक तरफ OH और दूसरे तरफ भी OH. ये पॉजिटिव. ये X जो बना है, what it will do? It will again attack on this. So this one shift toward that side. क्या बनते हैं? क्या बना है इधर? बताएं मुझे. एक RX बना है और दूसरा क्या बना है? ये P, OH और OH. तो हमारे पास कितने RX बने हैं? 3. एक RX ये, एक RX ये और एक RX ये तीसरा. ये 3 RX बने हैं और इसके साथ क्या बना है? H3PO3, H3POH3. This is POH3. Okay, so this is the second method of preparation of, this is the second This is the second method. This is the second method of the preparation of alkyl halides. What are you doing, yaar? ठीक तरह से बैठे, ठीक तरह से बैठे, ठीक तरह से, वरना हाँ जी. Third method, we have prepared alkyl halides by the treating alcohol with a halogen acid. We have prepared alkyl halides by treating phosphorus halide with alcohol. Now the third method of preparation of alcohol is okay. I am within 5 minutes. I am just winding this lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned with me.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned with me. Okay. By the action of thionyl chloride on alcohol. Third method. तीसरा तरीका alkyl halides के प्रोडक्शन का by treating what? By treating sulfonyl chloride SOCl2. Yes. That is sulfonyl SOCl2. That is sulfonyl. It can also be called thionyl. सल्फोनिल जो मैंने आपको बताया ना, सल्फोनिल, तो वो सल्फोनेशन में यूज होता है. बेंजीन के सल्फोनेशन में वो SO3H है, उसको हम बोलते हैं सल्फोनिल. SO3H सल्फोनिल ग्रुप सल्फोनेशन में यूज होता है. और इधर हम क्या करते हैं? थायोनिल ग्रुप यूज करते हैं बाय ट्रीटिंग थायोनिल क्लोराइड with alcohols. This is the third method of preparation of alkyl halides. Look at this is SOCl2. This is our thionyl chloride. This is your alcohol, and when it reacts with the thionyl chloride, so we will get water. We will get alkyl halide RCl along with this is alkyl chloride along with SO2 along with HCl. Wow. Look at this is the third method of preparation of alkyl halides. Look at, keep your mind here so you know the mechanism, how these things are formed. Mechanism. Look at. Walaikum salam, great solution. Look at, this is our ROH. This is our thionyl chloride. Look at my dear. These lone pair of electrons are very naughty. They are very naughty. These two electrons, everywhere they can attack. Whenever they found the positive kind of center, so they will attack that. So this sulfur is a kind of positive in nature. Why? It is attached to the oxygen. Oxygen actually withdraw all electron from it. Chlorine withdraw all electron from it. So this sulfur is becoming a positive. So this electron attack on this positive, what will happen? This chlorine will be removed. I am writing this chlorine as a chloride. Look at these things are formed R. This is the new. This is that sulfur. This is those two oxygen on that sulfur. Look at this is that bond. ये जो नया bond बना है, the new bond which is formed, oxygen with the sulfur वो ये है, वो ये है। और सल्फर के साथ क्या है? एक क्लोरीन तो उधर से निकला है ना, एक क्लोरीन बाकी है, तो वो ये है और ऑक्सीजन के साथ अटैच है। जब ऑक्सीजन इस तरह का बॉन्ड बनाता है, then oxygen got positive charge. Look at now this chlorine will attack on this R. So a bond is that this bond will be shipped to the oxygen. What we will get? We will get what? RCl alkyl halide बन गया है। And as a result क्या बन गया है हमारे पास इधर? ये हमारे पास सल्फर, ये क्लोरीन, ये और OH ये। अभी क्या होगा? Little last thing. Look at these two bonds. ये क्लोरीन निकलता है और ये क्लोरीन जब निकलता है तो अपने साथ ये भी ले जाता है, तो ये किस चीज में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? HCl and SO2। ये सल्फर ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड एंड ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड, ये इस तरह ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड और ऑक्सीजन। So this is the third method for the preparation of alcohol. One last method for the preparation of alkyl halide. Dear, okay, 1 minute. 1 minute it will take. Okay, 1 minute it will take by the free radical halogenation of alkane. बस ठीक है, alkyl here is on. Okay, no worry at all. Okay, fourth thing, by the free radical we can prepare alkyl halide by the free radical halogenation of alkane. ये alkane है, this is our alkane. Look at ये alkane है, इसकी जब हेलोजिनेशन होती है, हेलोजन मॉलिक्यूल इन द ये रिएक्शन अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन की मौजूदगी में होता है, तो हमारे पास जो है ना यहाँ पर अल्काइल हैलाइड along with HCl. Do not talk. Okay? So हमारे पास अल्काइल हैलाइड बनता है और HCl। ठीक है, ये हमारे पास CH4 है, एक अल्केन है। ठीक है जी, फ्री रेडिकल हेलोजिनेशन होती है, ये क्लोरीन के मॉलिक्यूल फ्री रेडिकल बनते हैं और फ्री रेडिकल में इधर हमारे पास ये Cl plus HCl. Okay, so that is all about the preparation of alkyl halide. So we can prepare alkyl halides by 4 methods. Number 1, by treating alcohol with halogen acids, by treating alcohol with phosphorus trihalide, by treating alcohol with thionyl chloride, and by the free radical halogenation of alkane. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with the Mudassir Mehboob in advanced level chemistry, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you.